Up here, so we don't go up on your side if you want to go up there. Because whenever they turn, so when I time and come, so.
So up here, so. Don't here, so.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, wait.
Bro, it's a Brumble primary.
Well, ask. Which one we are? Which one we want to go?
Yeah, you're going to see something. They want bridge, one like a bridge. One river.
Yeah, no, up on your side or too.
Oh, that left here, that right here.
Oh, yes, so we are turn.
Yeah.
Oh. When last you come here, so about 2 years ago, 3 years ago?
We go for Uncle Kenneth.
Yeah, man, I go for Uncle Kenneth.
Side, yeah. Yeah, so people come and shame here, yes.
The road they can't go ever fix. Because the river run through the road.
River Ford.
Yes, I'm a general. Yeah, man, see it there? Yeah, man. Yes, I. Alright? Yes, sir, yes, sir.
You know the people in there?
The same thing.
Like the roads. We can't go up. Why we are skid? I don't like skid, you know? It make me nervous. It make me always feel like you can't go run back.
Yeah, alright. A big driver, I feel like a baby driver. Do you feel like a baby driver? Hey, mama? Like a coffee driver where you feel them soft like toffee. You feel like you see them out me do this. Yeah, man, but the place nice and I love how the place is set up like this. Remind me of real country. Yeah. This remind me of real country.
No, that's the funny left.
I wonder if he knows.
Him right from him left. Call him, tell you to call him long time.
Yes. Me in a place where I'm born, you know? Yeah, Portland. That's where I'm born. You never know. No, you know. I'm born Portland and Kingston.
But you not call him back, mommy? You not easy though.
Who pass the spot where I am this?
No.
Tell man, tell me.
See, man.
I know him.
The man have your phone.
Mr. White?
Black Factory, Mr. White.
Yeah, him say after I pass the Black Factory, him say, I'm gonna come out the way there.
In another name?
I'm over in another name?
In here, C-Bent, he got Adventist Church.
C-Bent.
Me know one remember Tungle where Paul data.
No man, I want big man.
Where the Black Factory?
No, I want man now, Mr. White.
I want big
The Black Factory, the Black Factory.
You're down there, sir.
We are come from down there, so you know that one.
Start which one, the river there?
Yeah, which one, the river there.
And that's the Black Factory there?
Yeah.
Oh, so right down the bottom of my road there.
Yeah, so that's why me kinda
I wonder who. Oh, so I must back that side then.
yeah, that's the man. Yeah, man, you're good man.
Okay,
Turn good like.
Turn right there, sir.
So I'm opening right this
Yeah, so I open right there, sir.
Yeah, man, otherwise you can't go in the
The square, one square up there, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, man, I turn up there, sir.
Alright,
Alright,
time.
give thanks. Elvis.
Yeah, man.
Ah, come on, my name, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up.
Only big go say it's a lane like it's
It's a road. I say me think say it was a yard, but a road.
Yeah, cause look on house up
Yeah.
so.
It's a road, man.
Nice man, I have them jelly tree them.
I tell you, man, I don't love to live a country. Somebody can't sell me a piece of land and give me peace. Nobody can sorry for me.
When I was a child, some place where you see desert, nobody
Never did develop now, yeah.
You won't believe because
That's always a me, you know.
yeah, up a blue hole there, so right part up at the top there, so we used to watch them a ski at Sunday time, Sunday time. And,
Oh, ski.
yeah,
You can see ocean, then we can see ocean from here, so.
yeah,
See there in the ocean that we look on this, so.
yes. Where? I
See
mean,
there?
tell us,
Right there, you see it? It look like almost like a mountain though.
yeah.
Yes, in beautiful Portland and Stony Hill. Yep. Here the weather is chilly, cold. Yeah. See Punky run ganga put on sweater. The place cold. Cold, hey. Punky can't. Punky and mama can't give direction, you know. Me just see how she get it from. She don't know how big direction. She get it from mama. Me say, me I tell the people them say, me just as we get
direction from.
yeah from mama. So mama don't go figure direction.
I come from both parents.
Eh?
Both parents.
Jaja. Hey! And that me also say you get it twice. Hey G, make sure you don't get none now. You say positive vibes.
No,
Positive mind, vibes and life. Eh?
Adriana better.
Yeah, Adriana can give direction. Go on, when you're ready. Let me see where you go do. Oh, she make it up there. She make it up there.
I did.
You gonna try now?
What if my drop?
Come let me try. Let me go try, you know you can see. Alright, ready?
Try.
You see, you never want me try, and as me do it,
No, cause me build for them thing there, see a two not me have. Me build see it. Alright?
you have to go to that speed, you know.
Imagine if I drop.
Make sure.
Every run go up, we can't go, I gotta jump out of my slippers, alright, me try it. Go.
No, babe, no want you drop, but don't do it.
How am I gonna drop if you would eat?
Well, what can go so?
You see, you know?
And we was dropping now? The croc slide.
Well, I say, I turn my foot and slippers and jump past and turn to catch it.
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead. Maybe, I don't know.
What you mean, maybe?
I don't know.
If you would have catch me.
So, but I don't feel like it mean like catching moment.
Oh,
When me
like the time when I almost drop and you never catch me. You like you literally watch me drop.
So oh, me I go see the action if me stop it. Me not have to make the action play out a lie. Alright, when you watch a movie, right? And the movie are going at the nice part, you stop it. If you say, wow, I wonder what could that happen. Do you watch the movie and make it go on, though?
Kids must make it play, and if I not catch it good, I start it.
Alright, then that me don't rewind it if me never see it good. But since me
if I don't see a shop,
Like
back
slow motion.
no sir, remember you know, and everything if you never be safe in the age and that. Because you're gonna never be yourself and get boof. Cause suppose say you go there now, boy, you go hold up your hand and when she look at her body just chop back and flick in your forehead. Flick straight in your forehead. You with a handle. You with a road like thief. I'm backside, come on, boast you. Head fly, car.
You are help me and two will end up.
Lord, the move. So you have to be careful of where you go help.
And him end up being a mattress.
Cause me I go run now, but I go catch you 200 and 200 go crush me.
Yeah, go cushion.
Crush me. No, sir. People, tell me where you think this is. One shop or was a house? She has say a house. Me I say it was a shop. It look like a shop, like our shop with a design.
Bigger than the
Back. It's a shop, man. A most a shop. One nice shop this was.
Our house.
A house?
Living room, bedroom.
How far this would have go back?
Right, they say it's stuff it look like. I probably want shop, man, and them just a storage area. Storing and sleeping area where you can rest.
Cook shop.
That too, can a cook shop too. Probably it was a cook shop, yes. No, but where does it come from? An ocean? A river? Oh, the same river water come from, so I eat this?
I must see same river with Danny them that tell you about up so.
Oh.
Namastas.
Oh,
river name?
Nasty Davis? Yes. Nasty Davis or something like that?
Nasty Davis.
Nasty Davis. And Nasty Davis river water this?
Yeah.
I eat?
The river up.
Up them side there? Yeah. Where the road name we would turn to go up at the river again. But you know say Miss Juicy Bird them go there all the while them and bingy them. Yeah, always there. Yeah, them always there the river there. But look on the sky. Rain, we are going in, you know. We are going to rain at Stony Hill there. I will just come out of one Stony Hill, but we are going to one next Stony Hill. I will go through Snow Hill too. going to Rain Hill. Lord of mercy. We're gonna stop at Echo Beach.
You sure we're not pass? So, how was your trip, guys?
My trip, it was refreshing.
Refreshing.
It was really
Rejuvenate.
Rejuvenating.
rejuvenating. It was out of this world. Can you imagine being out of the city for a
Yes.
day, you know,
Yes.
and encountering the fresh cool breeze? Wow, it was amazing. It was fabulous.
What you have to say, Ajana? Ajana, what was your trip? Ajana,
Yes, mommy. It was good.
that's it?
Yeah, it is nice.
Okay, that sounds better. Oh, you?
Me?
Yeah.
Why? Don't know, I'm not too in a country thing already. Me a town man.
We are try fool.
Can't cheat nobody have a favorite man. I don't know that man.
Yeah.
Nicest to me.
Yes.
I want to come like me have the whole iPhone for everybody to get sweet me. Yeah, good for the body, the mind and the soul. As the mama said, rejuvenating,
Refreshing.
you know, refreshing. Yeah. Anytime I come to them place, I clear my mind and you know, just refresh and recharge the whole body
Yep.
from head to toe.
Ooh. Yeah.
So now that the rainfall can't
See the patrol in here. Alright, so for me now, I had an extraordinary time. It was amazing. I enjoyed every